Cost. How much does this dress cost? It costs $50. Offer. Can I offer you some tea? Yes, I'd love some. Hide. Can you hide this gift for me until my sister's birthday? Sure, I'll keep it in a safe place. Remember. Do you remember what we talked about yesterday? Yes, I remember everything we discussed. Beat. Did you beat your high score in the game? Yes, I beat my old score by 100 points. Love. Do you love to travel? Yes, I love visiting new places and experiencing different cultures. Consider. Have you considered taking a break from work? Yes, I've been thinking about it for a while. Appear. When will the results of the test appear? They should be available in a few days. Buy. Can you buy some milk from the store? Sure, I'll pick it up on my way home. Wait. Can you wait for me at the entrance of the mall? Sure, I'll wait for you there. Serve. Can you serve me a slice of cake? Sure, how big would you like it? Send. I need to send an email to my boss. Okay, let me know if you need any help. Must. Do I really have to go to the dentist? Yes, you must go for your regular checkup. Expect. I expect the package to arrive tomorrow. That's great. I'll make sure to be home to sign for it. Build. Can you build a treehouse for the kids? Sure, I'll start working on it this weekend. Sing. Can you sing me a song? Sure, what kind of song do you want to hear? Stay. Can you stay late at work tonight? Unfortunately, I can't. I have plans with friends. Fall. Be careful not to fall down the stairs. Thanks for the warning. I'll watch my step. Cut. Can you cut this piece of wood for me? Sure, let me get my saw. Fly. I'm excited to fly to Europe next month. That sounds like an amazing trip. Where are you going? Reach. I need to reach that book on the top shelf. Here, let me get it for you. Kill. I could never kill an animal for food. That's understandable. Many people feel the same way. Forgive. Can you forgive me for what I said earlier? Of course. I know you didn't mean to hurt my feelings. Spend. How do you like to spend your weekends? I usually like to relax and read a book. Remain. How many tickets remain for the concert? There are only a few tickets remaining. Stick. This sticker won't stick to my laptop. Yeah, sometimes they can be tricky. Let me try to help. Suggest. I suggest we go to the beach this weekend. That sounds like a great idea. I love the ocean. Fight. I don't want to fight with you about this. Neither do I. Let's try to find a compromise. Raise. Can you raise your hand if you have a question? Sure, I'll do that if I need to. Deal. I need to deal with this problem before it gets worse. That's a good plan. It's better to tackle it early on. Pass. Can you pass me the ketchup, please? Sure, here you go. Sell. I'm going to sell my old car and buy a new one. That's a good idea. What kind of car are you looking for? Might. I might go to the beach this weekend, but I haven't decided yet. If you do, let me know. I'd love to join you. Hurt. Be careful with that knife, you might hurt yourself. Don't worry, I've used it before. I won't hurt myself. Require. This job requires a lot of attention to detail. I'm up for the challenge. I'm a very detail-oriented person. Hit. I accidentally hit my head on the doorframe. Are you okay? Do you need some ice? Decide. I need to decide which college to attend next year. That's a big decision. Have you visited any campuses yet? Pull. Can you pull the door closed behind you? Sure, I'll make sure it's closed all the way. Admit. I admit that I made a mistake on this project. That's okay. We all make mistakes sometimes. Last. How long did the concert last last night? It lasted about 2.5 hours. Complain. Don't complain about the weather. We can't change it. I know, but it's so hot outside. I wish it would cool down. Produce. This factory produces over 1,000 units per day. That's impressive. They must have a really efficient system in place. Cause. Smoking can cause serious health problems. Yes, it's important to quit smoking if you can. Own. I own a small business in the downtown area. That's great. What kind of business is it? Exist. Does true love really exist? Some people believe in it, while others don't. It's a matter of opinion. Suffer. I suffer from migraines on a regular basis. That must be tough. Have you talked to your doctor about treatment options? Collect. Can you help me collect all these papers from the printer? Sure, let me grab a stack. Climb. We need to climb to the top of this mountain to see the view. It's going to be a challenging climb, but the view will be worth it. Prefer. Would you prefer to go out to eat or cook at home tonight? I'm feeling lazy, so let's go out to eat. Damage. Did the storm damage your car? Yes, it caused some dents and scratches.